Hello friend, welcome to you in Lamroad Academy. I am Rajendra Lamroad. Today I am telling about the keywords of C programming, how to use the keywords, how many keywords in the C programming. Okay, C programming have a total 32 keywords. Here I am showing all the name of all the keywords. You can see here. After that I will telling you all keywords, brief information about the keywords, and in future tutorials I will show you use of the all keywords. Okay, so here see the character, double, integer, and floats. These four keywords are used to define the variable types. Is a character type, is a plotting type, is a double type, or integer type. If you want to see all the keyword size information about the most, see my previous tutorials. Okay, break and continue. Break used for jump statement outside the loop or outside the case. Here generally using for while loop, for loop, and do while loop. So outside the jump, and continue statement used for skipping the inside the loop after the continue and end of the loop. This middle part of this part will be skipping. Okay, so here I am showing you the one program in output. You can understand the use of the break and continue. Continue after the 3, we directly went back, so we didn't print the 3 in the output. After 7 came out of the loop, not printing the value out of the 7. Okay, switch case. Switch case we are using for case. If you have many options, you can put in the switch case. Case 1, case 2. I have here a case 1 and case 5 and default. If option value is 1, means executing this case 1 statement. If option value is 5, executing this statement. If accept 1 and 5, any value, executing default statement. Okay, if and else. If I equal to 1, if value of I equal to 1, then printing I is 1. Else any value except 1, go to else loop part. Auto keyword is part of storage classes. So it's already using for the local variables. We can use for the auto keywords. Okay, while loop or do while loop. Here for do while loop, you do whatever condition you want to write and put the while and the condition. If while and condition, then whatever you want to print. So difference between the while and do while loop, only that while loop after the executing statements checking the conditions in while, before the executing condition checking the while loop, means do while execute at least one time but while loop not. For loop we are using for single line. The for loop is initial part, the conditional part, and incremental part. We are printing the I value of I, it continues the loop. Okay, enum operator is the type of enumerated data types. We can create a set of constant types in integer values. For a worker 1 is one constant, 2 another constant, 3 another constant, putting the enumeration data type. Okay, external keywords are using for define outside the functions, so that can use any of the functions in this program. So here I am defining external I equal to 5. Here in main I am using the I directly without any defining inside the function. Go to statement using for unconditional jumps from level. If you defining in the C program anywhere level, if you want to jump directly from that level, simply put go to and the level name, directly jump from that level. Short, long, sign or unsigned characters. Here we are using short, long is a type using for modifying the variable types. If your integer type have some specific size as per your operating system, but in the short we can reduce the size of the integer, or long we can increase the size of the integer value, or sign or unsigned. Signs we take positive or negative both the values, but unsigned use only the positive values. Okay, so integer size depend on the compiler. Return type is terminating the execution of the current function return values. Whatever function it means return types, returning the b value, means b equal to 5, means return the 5. This function will be whatever position the function has called, return the value of b. Size of operator we defining the size of the type of variable is positive character type or the size of bits. You can check your compiler with how much size is taking. And register is storage class is as much faster than normal variables. If you want to make your program faster, then you can use the register. For more information, register variable and how to use, I will show you in the next tutorial. In the static variable, static is using for indicating the variable of the storage classes. If one time you define the variable of static, if you change anywhere in your program, it affected all the positions of the variables for using the static keywords. Okay, structure, in structure we can define the more than different type of variables in a single structure. Here is character, name, float, marks, int, age. All the combined what defining the structure students. So the group of the variables we are defining. Type def we are using for changing the type of the variables. Here in type def float equal to kg. Kg is float type. If I am putting kg beer, means beer is a float type. So here is internally the kg is working as a float. Okay, union we creating or providing the group of different data types for using unions. Void is indicating the functions take number of arguments, no return values. Here void no return integer. Here we showing the return type is do not providing any values in this. Thank you friends. If you have any doubt till now, comment below. Else share, like and subscribe for more information. Thank you.